My name is Andre, and I'm the owner of the YouTube channel, Patwah. This is a personal project of mine that I create and administer in my spare time when I'm not at work. Along with the free lessons on YouTube, I also have a backup course that I've also created on the popular language learning software, Memrise. First, you would sign up to dex.memrise.com, and once you have located the Patwah course, then download the Memrise app, log in, and practice. It's also available for download both on the iOS and Google Play app stores. You can also keep up with me on my social media pages, Patwah with 2 T's on Instagram, and you can also like our page on Facebook. A little more about me. I was born and raised in Mandeville, Jamaica, until I migrated to the United States at 18. I am an alumni to 2 high schools in Jamaica. The first one being Manchester High School in Mandeville from 1990 to 1995, and then Homewood Technical High School in Christiana from 1995 to 1997. So how I decided to start teaching Patwah? It all started shortly after I met my current fiancée. I wanted to take her to Jamaica and have her be able to understand the conversations, as well as feel comfortable around friends and family. She's from Portugal, also living in the US, and she's still fluent in Portuguese. I started breaking down Patwah and started to discover that even though it's based mainly in English, it had rules like the other languages I had attempted to learn in the past. I started to learn things about it that I myself didn't realize. At that moment, the idea came to me. If I was able to break it down in a manner that it was easy for my fiancé to understand, I wanted to try it with others to see if it would also be easier for them. I've always had people asking me to teach them, and the only thing I had found online so far were people doing phrases. So I started the channel and launched the videos, and so far the response has been overwhelmingly positive. To date, almost 2,000 subscribers from all over the world. The type of feedback I've been getting has encouraged me to put more time and resources into upgrading the simple whiteboard lessons I offered before and branched out into other formats. Possibly in the future, some animated short films featuring locals. So my opinion is, even though Patwah draws heavily from English, it has enough rules in place and the culture is so rich with global influence that having it as an official language would be appropriate, even if not the first but second official language. I'm going to stay on this project as long as I can to help others experience more of the rich culture, music, food, and people that is Jamaica. Don't forget to stop by the channel, like, share, and subscribe. You can also find us on Instagram, and remember it's Patwah with 2 T's, and like us on our Facebook page. Now, as I always say in the end of my videos, it's been a pleasure hanging out with you. See you on the next one, and until next time, take it easy.